In this video, you'll learn how to connect a Namecheap domain to your Framer site. We'll go step by step at a relaxed pace, so by the end you'll have your custom domain properly hooked up and ready to use. First, make sure you're logged into your Framer account and that you already have a project created. From your Framer dashboard, open the project you want to publish to your custom domain. Once the project is open, look toward the top or side of the interface for the site settings icon. This is usually represented by a small gear symbol. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the site settings panel. Inside site settings, you'll see a menu or list along the left-hand side. This is where you manage things like publishing, analytics, and of course, domains. From that left sidebar, find and select the option labeled Domains. Clicking this will take you to the area where you can connect and manage all of the domains associated with this specific Framer site. On the domains page, you'll see any domains you've already connected, along with an option to add new ones. What you're looking for is the button that says Connect a Domain You Own. This is the option Framer provides when you've purchased your domain somewhere else, like Namecheap, and you want to link it here. Click Connect a Domain You Own to start the connection process. A small window or input field will appear, asking for the domain you'd like to connect. Type your domain name exactly as you registered it with Namecheap. For example, you might type yourdomain.com without any extra spaces or extra characters. You usually do not need to include www here. Framer will handle that configuration for you. Double check the spelling to avoid any issues, and once you're sure it's correct, click the Connect button. After you click Connect, Framer will generate a table of DNS records that you need to add in your Namecheap account. These records tell the internet that your domain, which is registered at Namecheap, should point to your Framer site. Typically, this table includes records like A records or CNAME records, each with a host value and a target value. It's important to keep this Framer window open because you'll be copying the information from here into Namecheap. Now, in a separate browser tab, sign in to your Namecheap account and go to your domain list. Find the domain you just entered in Framer and open its DNS or domain management settings. Look for a section called something like Advanced DNS or Manage DNS. This is where you can add or edit DNS records. For each record that Framer shows in its table, create a matching record in Namecheap. Carefully copy the host, the record type, and the target or value field exactly as Framer displays it. If Namecheap already has existing records that conflict, you may need to delete or update those so they match Framer's instructions. Take your time here. Accuracy is what makes the connection work. Once all the records from Framer are added into Namecheap and saved, return to the Framer domains page. Framer will periodically check those DNS records, and once everything is correct and propagated, it will confirm that your domain is connected. This process can take a little while, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. And that's it. You've connected your Namecheap domain to your Framer project, and your site will now be accessible through your own custom web address.